Still holding USD in your OKX wallet? Then this video is for you. Because I'm going to show you exactly how to move your USD from OKX to Binance. Step by step. With zero mistakes, zero confusion, and zero chance of losing your crypto. First things first. Open your OKX wallet. If you're already logged in, great. If not, you'll need your 12-word seed phrase to restore the wallet. Tap Import Wallet, enter the seed phrase, set a new password, and boom, you're back inside your wallet with full control. Now, let's head over to Binance, because this is where you'll be sending your USD. Open Binance. Tap on Wallet, then Deposit. Choose Crypto, then select USD from the list. Now here's the important part, choose the correct network. You'll usually see TRC20, or C20, and BP20. TRC20 is fast and super cheap. That's the one most people use. Once you've selected the network, copy the deposit address that shows up. It might start with a T if it's TRC20, or OX if it's RC20. Either way, copy that address carefully. Now, go back to your OKX wallet. Tap on your USD balance. Hit the send button. Paste the Binance address you just copied. Now choose the same network you selected on Binance. This part must match, or you risk losing your funds permanently. Enter the amount of USD you want to send. Double check everything: address, network, amount, and hit confirm. Once you confirm, the transaction will be sent to the blockchain. If you used TRC20, it'll probably arrive within 1-3 minutes. RC20 might take longer and cost more, so just be patient. Keep Binance open. You'll see your USD show up in your wallet once the transfer is confirmed. Let's pause for a second. This is where most people mess up. If you send USD using the wrong network, it could be stuck or even lost. Always check that the sending and receiving networks match. Also, never share your seed phrase, not with your friend, not with tech support, not even with yourself on a sticky note. Keep it secure. Now that your USD is successfully in Binance, you can use it however you want: trading, staking, or withdrawing to your bank account. You've just taken full control of your crypto like a pro. If this video helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment USD sent below. I read every comment and reply to questions. So if you're stuck, I've got your back. And if you want to save even more money on FEs, check out my next video on how to transfer crypto using Layer 2 networks like Arbitrum or Zixing. It's faster, cheaper, and the future of blockchain. Thanks for watching. Now go secure that bag. If this video helped you even a little, don't just scroll away. Smash that like button to help more people discover it, and subscribe to grab gold right now. And here's the truth. The people who take action first usually profit first. So hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and join the movement. You're not just watching, you're grabbing gold.